Welcome to Ace My Exams Learning. Let us get started with today's learning.
Question. Explain ways in which you can use your self-awareness and self-esteem to address gender inequalities in relationships. Addressing gender inequalities in relationships requires a deliberate effort to cultivate and apply self-awareness and self-esteem. These qualities empower individuals to recognize and challenge gender biases, communicate effectively, and establish equitable dynamics. By reflecting on personal beliefs, fostering open dialogue, and promoting fairness, individuals can contribute to healthier, more balanced relationships that defy traditional gender norms. Below are the various ways self-awareness and self-esteem can be used to address gender inequalities in relationships. One of the first ways to address gender inequalities in relationships is by reflecting on biases and stereotypes related to gender roles. Self-awareness allows individuals to recognize internalized assumptions about what men and women should or should not do, often shaped by societal norms. For instance, a man might feel obligated to take charge of finances, while a woman might assume caregiving duties, regardless of their preferences or abilities. By identifying these biases, individuals can critically evaluate their validity and replace them with more equitable practices. This reflection not only improves relationship dynamics, but also promotes empathy and a deeper understanding of how rigid expectations negatively affect both partners. For example, a couple might shift from dividing chores based on stereotypes to assigning them based on mutual agreement and individual strengths. Asserting roles based on personal interests and abilities rather than societal expectations is another crucial approach. Traditional gender norms often restrict individuals from pursuing roles that align with their strengths, leading to frustration and inequality. Self-esteem enables individuals to confidently reject these limitations and focus on what they do best. For example, a woman who is passionate about her career might face pressure to prioritize domestic responsibilities. However, by embracing her self-worth, she can assert her right to balance her professional and personal life while negotiating shared household duties with her partner. Similarly, a man who enjoys cooking might take on that role at home, defying the stereotype that cooking is women's work. Such arrangements foster equality and flexibility, ensuring that both partners contribute meaningfully to the relationship. Self-awareness also plays a critical role in reflecting on communication patterns within relationships. Effective communication is a cornerstone of equitable partnerships, and self-awareness helps individuals recognize how they express their needs, boundaries, and expectations. This encourages open and honest dialogue, reducing misunderstandings and power imbalances rooted in gendered assumptions. For instance, if one partner feels overburdened by household tasks, they can use self-awareness to frame their concerns constructively, saying, "I feel stressed managing these tasks alone. Can we find a way to share them more fairly?" This approach fosters collaboration, ensuring that both partners feel heard, valued, and respected. Advocating for an equitable division of responsibilities is another significant way to address gender inequalities in relationships. Disparities often arise when one partner is unfairly burdened with specific tasks, such as childcare or financial management. Self-awareness enables individuals to recognize these imbalances, while self-esteem empowers them to address them assertively yet respectfully. For instance, a partner who notices that they are handling most of the household chores can initiate a discussion to redistribute duties more fairly. By encouraging shared responsibilities, this approach strengthens teamwork, reduces resentment, and creates a supportive relationship environment where both partners can thrive. Addressing assumptions about intimacy is also essential in fostering equality within relationships. Gender roles often influence expectations around intimacy, leading to power imbalances and unmet needs. Self-awareness encourages individuals to reflect on their assumptions about intimacy and consider how societal norms might shape these expectations. For example, A partner might assume that initiating physical intimacy is solely the other person's responsibility, based on traditional gender norms. By reflecting on this, they can realize the importance of mutual effort and open communication about desires and boundaries. Self-esteem further enables individuals to articulate their needs confidently, creating a safe and respectful space for intimacy. This approach ensures that both partners feel valued and eliminates power dynamics rooted in unspoken expectations. Finally, continuously learning about gender equality and sharing this knowledge with a partner creates a strong foundation for equitable relationships. Self-awareness drives individuals to understand societal dynamics and their impact on partnerships, while self-esteem empowers them to advocate for change. For instance, a couple might attend workshops on gender equality or discuss articles they have read about equitable practices. Applying this knowledge to their relationship helps them grow together and adopt practices that challenge traditional norms. Additionally, this commitment to learning and sharing promotes mutual understanding and encourages both partners to thrive as equals, setting an example for others and contributing to broader societal change. In conclusion, using self-awareness and self-esteem to address gender inequalities in relationships is a powerful approach that fosters mutual respect, understanding, and collaboration. By reflecting on biases, asserting equitable roles, improving communication, and promoting fairness, individuals can create partnerships that challenge societal norms and prioritize personal authenticity. Embracing these qualities allows both partners to thrive as equals, ultimately contributing to a more just and balanced society.
To access more learning and exam preparation materials, go to www.acemyexams.coza. This link is also in the video description below. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and be the first to know when we upload new videos.